Want a dash cam that protects your ride without draining your wallet? Today we are looking at the top 5 best budget dash cams of 2025 and number 3 will blow your mind with its features. Welcome back to the channel. Dash cams have become a must-have for drivers in 2025, whether for accident protection, parking surveillance, or insurance claims. The best part? You don't have to spend a fortune to get premium features like 4K recording, HDR night vision, GPS, and even 360 degrees coverage. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Vantrue N4S Dash Cam. This triple camera setup records in 4K front, 1080p rear, and 2.5K inside, powered by StarVis 2 sensors. It has HDR plus IR night vision, GPS, Wi-Fi, voice control, and supports up to 1 TB storage. Customer reviews. Drivers praise its crystal clear video quality and reliable parking mode, calling it one of the best 3-channel cams for the money. Pros: triple channel, front, inside, and rear. Stunning 4K front camera with HDR. Voice control and GPS tracking. Parking mode with motion detection. Supports up to 1 TB storage. Number 2. OMBAR T1 4K Dash Cam. Equipped with StarVis 2 IMX678 sensors, the OMBAR T1 delivers 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p recording. It includes 5G Wi-Fi, 24-hour parking mode, HDR night vision, and comes with a free 128GB card. Customer reviews. Owners love its sharp night footage and say it's very easy to set up straight out of the box. Pros: triple channel coverage. Free 128GB card included. Color HDR night vision. 5G Wi-Fi for fast file transfer. Supports up to 512GB max. Number 3. Vantrue N4S Dash Cam. This one records in 2.7K front plus 1440p inside plus 1440p rear and features PlatePix technology for crystal clear license plate capture. It has voice control, LTE support, GPS, Wi-Fi, and 24/7 parking mode. Customer reviews. Users highlight its PlatePix feature, saying it's a game changer for capturing license plates in both day and night conditions. Pros: PlatePix for sharper license plate details. Triple channel with StarVis 2 sensors. LTE support for remote access. 24/7 parking surveillance. Supports up to 1 TB storage. Number 4. AZDOME M660 360 degrees Dash Cam. This dash cam is unique. It features 4 adjustable lenses to cover front, rear, left, and right, recording in 2K plus 1080p x3. It comes with 128GB built-in EMC storage, Wi-Fi, IR night vision, and voice control. Customer reviews. Drivers love the 360 degrees coverage, saying it gives them complete peace of mind for parking and road safety. Pros: true 360 degrees 4-channel coverage. Built-in, 128GB EMC storage. IR night vision for clarity in the dark. Voice control for hands-free use. Adjustable lens flexibility. Number 5. REDTIGER F77 4K Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F77 records 4K front plus 4K rear, powered by StarVis 2 IMX678 sensors. It comes with a 4-inch touchscreen, GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, IR night vision, and built-in 128GB storage. Customer reviews. Customers say it's rare to find dual 4K recording at this price, praising the touchscreen interface and strong night vision performance. Pros: dual 4K recording, front plus rear. Built-in, 128GB EMC storage. 4-inch easy touchscreen. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast transfers. GPS plus 24H parking mode. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best budget dash cams of 2025. If you want all-around protection, the Vantrue N4S is a top choice. For value and night vision clarity, the OMBAR T1 stands out. If license plate accuracy matters most, go with the Vantrue N4S. For 360 degrees complete coverage, check out the AZDOME M660. And if you want dual 4K recording with a touchscreen, the REDTIGER F77 is hard to beat. Now tell me in the comments, which dash cam would you trust in your car? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.